Anybody can grow their hair up to waist length now. This is all you need for your waist length hair. You don't need to buy the most expensive products in the market. This is all you need from the comfort of your home, from your kitchen. I mean, something you already have. I have a friend who lost her hairline about 5 months ago, and I told her about onion juice. All she needed to do is to apply it on that area, and she did so. Right now, her hair is back, fuller and thicker. I have been using onion juice on my hair for as long as I can remember, and this really works. This works like magic. When it comes to growing your hair real fast and thick, onion juice did not come to play. It will do the job for you more than any other expensive product sold in the market right now. And this is my weekly routine to keep my hair growing thick and long. I do this once in a week or every other week. If you can keep up with this recipe, I promise you that your hair will never remain the same. If you doubt any other recipes on the internet, make sure you are not doubting onion, because onion contains sulfur, which is what you need. Since I started to incorporate onion into my hair care regimen, my hair just started getting thicker and thicker, and my hair cannot stop growing because I always stick to this recipe. If you too can stick to this, I promise you see that dandruff, thinning edges, alopecia, any hair problem you're having will be in the past, because this is the only magic portion you need. You can make onions oil for pre-poo. You can apply the onion juice directly on your scalp. I highly recommend making a pre-poo oil because onions has a weird smell, so you do not want to go about smelling like an onion. Do a pre-poo oil whereby you have to wash it after the application. If you're still sleeping on onion juice in 2025, I really don't know what you've been doing, especially when you want to grow that waistline hair. You should really try out this for extreme hair growth, and this work for any hair type. If you're worried about the smell of the onions, you will wash your hair 2 times, and you're going to add baking soda to the water or lemon juice. Okay, if you have a fragrance or if you have an essential oil, you add it. Okay, this shouldn't be an excuse for you not to apply this recipe that actually works. The sulfur content in these onions help build up the main protein in your hair, which is the keratin. This increase the growth hormone of your hair follicle. So onion juice for hair growth is not a hearsay. It is something based on my experience. I have used this so many times, and I can tell you for the fact that this actually works. Now let's get into the preparation. All you're gonna need is just onion. You can use two, you can use one, you can use three, depending on the length and volume of your hair. For this video, I use three pieces. Take out the skin of the onion, then wash, slice into chunk and blend. Just in case you don't have a blender, you can use a mortar and a pestle, or you can grate it. Just don't add water to it. We don't need it diluted. If you want it to work faster, then do not add water. You can use the red, the yellow, or the white onion, but I highly recommend the red onion, which is this one that I'm using because it has more sulfur content. If you are allergic or have an open cut on your scalp, please do not use this on your scalp. After blending, go ahead and strain out the juice. There you have it, the only magic hair growth portion you need to double to triple your hair growth. And this works in a matter of weeks, months. You're going to notice new hair growth. Baby hair will start coming out in the area you apply the onion juice. I'm going to give you a detailed reason why onion juice work. Onion contains sulfur, which is a key component of keratin, that is the protein needed for your hair, skin, and nails. The sulfur improves blood circulation to the scalp follicle, delivering more nutrients and oxygen to the scalp. The main content of these onions is sulfur, which is what grows out your hair. It also strengthens your hair strands, reduces breakage, and support the formation of strong, thick hair. If your hair is thin, once you start using onion juice for some period of time, you will notice that your hair becomes thicker. The sulfur content in the onion is what stimulates collagen production, which is vital for producing new hair cells. This simply means more collagen is equals to faster regeneration of hair follicle and quicker hair growth. That is why it is highly recommended. Now, let me show you guys how I apply this on my hair. Onion juice, when massaged into the scalp, acts as a mild irritant that widens blood vessel. This improves blood circulation, ensuring that your hair follicle get the maximum nutrients for your hair growth. Onion juice contains compounds that fight scalp infection, dandruff, or any fungi related issues. You all know that the most important part of your hair growth is your scalp. A healthy scalp environment allows your hair to grow freely without being blocked by buildup or microbials. Onion juice is loaded with antioxidants like quercetin, which protect your hair follicle from free radical damages. This slows down premature thinning and graying while keeping your hair follicle active for a longer time. Studies also shows that onion juice can help in the case of alopecia, an autoimmune cause of hair loss. The Journal of Dermatology in 2020 found out that the patients who apply onion juice twice daily experience significant regrowth within 4 to 6 weeks. This is to tell you how fast onion work. Onion works so fast that within a month, you are going to notice that your hair will start to come back. You will notice baby hairs. Onion juice nourishes the hair shaft, making them appear thicker, shinier, and healthier. Regular application reduces dryness and split ends, directly helping length retention. There are more than one ways to use onion for hair growth. You can do onion juice and massage into the hair just like we are doing here right now. You can also combine onion with a carrier oil, that is for pre-poo. I recommend using it as a pre-poo so you can wash it out. You can also mix your onion juice with aloe vera for soothing and scalp irritation. You can also do an onion rinse. Boil your onion peel in water, let it cool, and then use it. This will strengthen your hair strands and ensure that your hair isn't shedding or breaking off. The only problem I notice people have with onion juice is the smell. A lot of people could not tolerate the smell of the onion juice. If your hair still smells even after washing twice, you can use lemon juice. Like I said before, you can add some essential oils, you can add aloe vera to reduce it. Some people are sensitive to onion juice, so make sure you do a batch test if you haven't used it before. But if you don't have any allergy reaction, you can go ahead and use it whenever you want. Also, try and be consistent with the application. You can do once in a week or every other week. You're going to notice results from 4 to 6 weeks after regular use. So let me throw this out there. Onion juice works best for nutrient related hair thinning, scalp issues, or weak follicle, not for baldness due to genetics. This is a recipe that works 100%. Onion juice help your hair grow fast, mainly because of the sulfur content, circulation boosting effect, antibacterial power, and antioxidants. With consistent use, you can significantly reduce hair loss and stimulate hair growth, especially when combined with healthy diet and hair care routine. If you're using onion juice on your hair already, tell us how it is working for you in the comment section. If you're not, let me know if you be trying it, because this is a guaranteed recipe. This has worked for millions of people out there. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also send this video to someone who might need a hair growth miracle. Thank you for watching and see you